Okay, guys. Now, atha phalashrutihi. Atha is and now. So, somebody in one of the previous live streams asked what is the significance of atha. It is seen everywhere, from Brahma Sutras to Yoga Sutras to all the chants that we do. Atha. We start with atha. Atha. The literal meaning of atha is and now. And as we have been seeing so far, expositions on the significance of atha and now can go on for hours. But roughly, it can be understood as after doing all of this, now we read the phala. Phala meaning fruit, literally, or the benefit, the result. Shrutihi is hearing. Uh, now we hear the benefits of chanting the stotram. I'll read individual words of this shloka one by one, and then we'll look at the meaning of it. We'll follow the same sequence which we have been following so far. One thing to note is this is not a mandatory chant. So if it's good to remember it, it's good to bring it into our memories when we chant it, that this is the objective, this is the nature of this stotram. But as such, this is not a part of the stotram itself. The stotra is just composed of 5 shlokas. This is 5 plus 1. This is an appendix of the stotram. All right. Yah shloka panchakamidam, or yah shloka panchakamidam lalitambikayah saubhagyadam sulalitam pathati prabhate tasmai dadati lalita jhatiti prasanna vidyam shriyam vimala saukhyam ananta kirtim. These are the individual words of the shloka. The key to understanding the meaning again is to catch hold of the verb or the kriya or the action which is happening in the shloka. That is, there are 2 sentences that are happening here. The first 2 lines are formed one sentence, and the next 2 one. Both of these sentences are connected. The action corresponding to the first 2 lines, the sentence contained in the first 2 lines is pathati, the one who reads. Yaha pathati. Yaha is the one who, pathati is reads. In the second sentence, the kriya padam is dadati. As you can see, there is a commonality here also. As I said before, words that end similarly are used in similar contexts. So this goes on across all words of Sanskrit. So pathati, dadati. So they have similar contexts being represented by them. The one who reads, or the one who chants, is yaha pathati. Kim pathati? What does he read? Shloka panchakam idam. Idam is this. Shloka panchakam, set of 5 shlokas. Shloka panchakam. Lalitambikayah. Whose set of 5 shlokas? Of Ambika, of the mother goddess, of mother goddess Lalita. Amba or Ambika is mother. Lalita Ambika is mother Lalita. Lalitambikayah, of the mother goddess Lalita. The set of 5 shlokas. How is this set of 5 shlokas? Saubhagyadam, which grant good fortune. Bhagya is fortune. Saubhagyadam is good fortune. Sulalitam, which is very simple, very playful, very easy. Sulalitam. When to read it? Prabhate, in the Prabhata Kala or at the break of dawn. Tasmai, to that person. Dadati, she bestows or bestows. Who bestows? Lalita, goddess Lalita. Lalita dadati, Lalita bestows. Jhatiti, immediately. Jhatiti is quickly, at once. Prasanna, prasanna is one who has been pleased, or one who has been one whose good graces have been obtained, one who has become, who has been pleased by this stotram. Jhatiti prasanna, who has been pleased at once. With Lalita dadati, she shall give. Danam, dattam, all that comes from diyate, from dadati. Similar words here meaning giving. Vidyam, what does she give? Vidya, which is knowledge. Shriya, which is prosperity. Vimala saukhyam. Saukhyam is happiness, bliss, different levels of pleasantness. Vimala, mala again is impurity. Vimala is without impurities. So pure, which is unconditional, or which doesn't have any other kind of unpleasantness attached with it. That kind of a bliss, pure bliss, Vimala Saukhyam. Ananta Kirtim. Kirti is fame, reputation, glory, or glory basically. One's Kirti, how is reputation? And what kind of a reputation? That kind of a reputation which is never besmirched, which is never ending. Ananta Kirtim. So this first two form one part of the sentence. So to the one who chants the set of 5 shlokas of goddess Lalita, yah shloka panchakamidam lalitambikayah saubhagyadam sulalitam patati prabhate. The one who chants this good fortune bestowing, easy and simple and playful stotram, and the break of dawn, one who chants tasmai dadati. To such a person, Dadati Lalita Jhatiti Prasanna. Goddess Lalita, who is at once pleased by such a person, such a chant, shall bestow Vidyam, knowledge, Shriyam, prosperity, Vimala Saukhyam, pure bliss, and Ananta Kirtim, unending glory.